Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional of today's additional in today's newspaper, Saturday February the 20th 2021. Yes, two Sudokus left, two puzzles, a binary one, this one, and a tectonic one. What I will solve this baby. This will be number 2360. Yes, 2360. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8x8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright. So let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. 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 We have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. And double one, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes an O, between 2 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O. Here 1, there 1. 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. We have now 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have here 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have here 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Finished in 3 minutes. Wow, without comparing. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the last puzzle, a tectonic one with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.